Welcome to Codemas Day 7. On this video, we'll go through the JavaScript part of the website we're building. You should go watch Day 6 if you don't know what it is we're building. And yeah, let's go ahead. So first, I will put some IDs here for the numbers. So ID equals to days. This one is hours. This one is minutes. And the last one is seconds. Okay. I think I'll add an ID here for the parent element. So ID equals to the countdown. Perfect. Now let's go and open xmath.js. So let's first get the date for Christmas. So let Christmas equals to new date 25th of December 2018 000000. Okay, now we need a function that will run every second, so we need set interval 1000 milliseconds, so every second. And yeah, let's see, we need first to get the timestamp for now. Let now equals to new date now, and we also need to get the difference between those two. So let difference equals to xmath minus now. Now that we have the difference between those two days, we can go ahead and separate the values. So let days equals to diff divided by let's see what it is. A whole day is 1000 milliseconds times 60, because every minute has 60 seconds. So next is times 60 for 60 minutes an hour times 24 because each day has 24 hours. So that's it. So next is hours equals to this number here, but not divided by. We need the remainder divided by. Let's copy this and delete 24 because we need the hours. So next is almost the same, minutes. We need diff divided diff modulo 1060. We need to delete this and also this. Now for the seconds, okay, we need to get rid of this and this. I think this will work. Let's go check it out. So let's see, document get element by ID. We had days, inner HTML, days. Let's duplicate those. And here, hours. Let's do it properly. Minutes, and we also have seconds. So let's go and see if it works. I don't think it will work out the first time, so I'm pretty sure I've made some mistakes here, but let's go check it out. Refresh. It's not working. Why? New date. Oh, get time. I forgot that. Get time. What else? Okay. Let's check again. and still not working. Let's find out why. Now is not defined. Where? Let now equals new date now get time. Oh, this must be the culprit. Yeah, you're the culprit. So I have days, hours, you don't. Ooh, it wouldn't work again. I can't be that dumb, can I? I think it will work now. So, oh, it did. Almost. What? Give me a second. I have to use math floor here to make all those work. Math floor here. Yeah, at last, it's working. Yeah, that's it. We finally have our counter finished and ready. There are 16 days, 5 hours, 18 minutes and 53 seconds until Christmas. I hope you liked it. I've done so many mistakes. I can't believe it. Those were so rookie mistakes. But anyway, we have our counter and mistakes happen all the time. So yeah, can't blame me. I hope you liked this video and learned something from it. I always wanted to create such a counter, so I've learned something. If you liked it, please click on the like button because it really helps me. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.